All right, last one.
Wisconsin man marks 50 years of daily Big Mac meals. Oh, it's one of these ones where it's the super committed McDonald's buyer.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So did they took out the DON? Is their name Don? What's with the sign?
I think it's just
Don Gorski.
Oh.
Of Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, celebrating 50 years of eating McDonald's Big Mac nearly every day. He said he only missed 8 days in 5 decades.
What did he have those 8 days?
He was sick.
Oh, okay.
I just made that up.
I was just thinking.
But I assume, like, if you had a stomach thing going on,
right? You're like, okay,
you might skip the Big Mac.
Maybe he wanted to try a different burger.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like,
did he? 50 years. A Wisconsin man who earned a Guinness World Record for the most Big Macs eaten in a lifetime celebrated another milestone, 50 years eating a Big Mac nearly every day. Don Gorski of Fond du Lac earned a Guinness World Record in 1999 when he was confirmed to have eaten 15,490 of the McDonald's sandwiches in his lifetime. And the record was most recently updated in August 2021 when his total surpassed 32,340. Man, he's on a pace to it. He's got a pace to it. He is now celebrating 50 years of eating a Big Mac almost every day since May 17th, 1972. The burger fan, who said he most often eats 2 of the sandwiches on a given day, said he has only missed 8 days in his 50-year fandom. I had a Burger King Whopper in 1984. 1.
Oh, my God.
And 1 Topper Double Burger in 84. There's a lot of other burger chains that I have never had the desire to try. I'll probably be eating Big Macs every day for the rest of my life. Man, this guy more consistent than our show.
Wow, look at his hair too.
We got to take some inspiration here when it comes to the Lou Later schedule. Mm-hmm. We're only allowed to miss 8 days in the next 50 years. All right?
Great.
All right.
Got it? Starting from this point forward. After all, we have big shoes to fill, seeing as how we are now the new CNN Plus, otherwise known as CNN Ultra, and Will is faster on the transition from one song to another.
Wow.
This man continues to improve. This show continues to go places it's never gone before. You'll find this show on the moon and potentially Mars in the near future, although it'll probably only be available in 30 hertz through a hub. So good luck. Thank you to everybody who joined us here today. Thank you to everybody who gave us super chats. Thank you to everybody in the community, the greatest community on the internet. Staying strong, bigger and better than ever. Shout out to Mo and his big stretch. Shout out to Will, as per usual. And, of course, Otis for keeping us safe. We'll catch you in the next one. Actually, that's going to be tomorrow. We're going to be as consistent as the Big Mac guy.
All right. Kind of want a Big Mac now, too.
Sounds good to me. Later.